Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, this is going to be a video all about samples. Samples, now if you guys know, we are in the middle of prom season. We got a lot going on in this shop. So I'm going to pretty much show you guys a workaround, what we're pretty much doing, how we're managing to do client orders as well as sample gowns to try to really capitalize this season. It is a lot of hard work. It is definitely a lot if you're doing it by yourself. So this is definitely the time for you to use your teaching skills and get a cousin or somebody who can help you, hand sew, glue some tool, gather some, not glue tools, gather tool, just the whole nine. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just pretty much show you guys just what we got going on. I'm trying to get this ring light out. Y'all know in my shop I got a lot of ring lights right now. We probably got about 20 dresses in here. Half are orders, half are samples. And again, it's more so about time management, getting my ass up, coming in here, really being intentional about the day, using my time wisely. So this is going to be a really great video if you are a designer and you're just trying to figure out how to, capitalize off the season, how to manage your orders, how to do samples as well as client orders, etc. Okay. Another thing too is with these samples, oh, and I'm sorry, y'all. I'm holding my phone because I ain't got time to find my camera right now. It's over there. It's halfway dead. It's just got a lot going on. So another good thing about just doing sample dresses and things like that for prom season is that you can pretty much do what you want. Freestyles are exactly what you want them to be. It's more so about using the fabric that you have left over. It could be from the previous season. It could be from previous order, previous gowns. There are a lot of ways that you can approach getting sample gowns made to kind of capitalize off the season. As you all know, there are going to be plenty of clients who just simply ain't got it. You know what I mean? And so this is a way for you to maybe try to provide a lower expense gown. Again, you can get a lot of dresses done using scrap fabric. And to be honest, a lot of this stuff in here, I have just used leftover, remaining, etc. As you guys also know, the cuts of the gowns are not as big anymore, so you can pretty much get away with doing a full gown. I've been doing a plus size gown with 4 yards, okay? So if I can make it work, I'm sure y'all can make it work too. All right, so I am going to just walk around and show you guys a little bit of what's going on in the shop. Move, Nyla. Y'all know the cat is following me. That's a sample. That's an actual order right there. My client already came for her fitting. It has a tulle bottom on it. And so we will be attaching the bottom once we finish it. And then she has embellishments on the top. So that gown has already been fit, guys. All right, so we're walking into the front of the studio. Right now, these gowns are all ready to go. These are all samples. So again, this moment right here is pretty much about capitalizing off the season, making some gowns that are in a pretty decent size range. You guys know I am mainly plus size focused, but during prom season is when I actually get a mix between smaller and plus size clients. So I tried to make sure I had a range. Now I did do primarily plus size sample gowns, but this is a sample gown. I think this is like a 22, 24. This right here is actually a 12, 14. I had somebody come in to try this on for me so I could make sure I got that illusion right. And this one is gorgeous, you guys. It's so gorgeous. Tulle bottom. I think this one will sell really well. This one right here this is just velvet, and this is applique that I had left over from last season. I bought like a couple of whatever. So you guys see, using pretty simple fabrics, but it's all about the cut. And again, just leftover. The layering and gathering in this area right here was strictly scraps, okay? Scraps left over from this bottom. So we cut the main part of the dress first, and then the scraps we use to create the shoulder panel and the gathering piece that's going across. So again, using what you got, okay? Using what you got. Now, y'all don't judge my fabric room. It's very much giving messy. It's a lot going on. Usually during the season, we're in and out, in and out. We're pulling. We're doing a lot of things, okay? So, I like to keep a lot of my bespokes, like beaded and sequins kind of rolled up over here. I have a few satins rolled up if it's over 5 yards, but anything that's under 5 yards is pretty much over here. But I tug and pull a lot, you guys. So again, it's very messy. Even my bins are messy right now, but you know what? I'm gonna give y'all get this room together video one of these days. But it's prom season. And so another thing too, y'all, is when I come in here every single day, when I'm finding stuff for other things, I start to find more applique. This is applique that I found yesterday, digging in the bottom of these bins to find something else for a client. And so I pulled them out and I put them to the side, and with the intention of actually, ooh, y'all know. All right, move that. Just go ahead and grab these right quick. I got this woolly nylon stuck to it. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. Wait till y'all see these carts after prom season. They're gonna be so clean and so organized. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me shit. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab these appliques right here because I found these yesterday, and these can be used for other dresses. These don't belong to anybody, so I like to take them out. This is the applique that doesn't belong to anybody. So this is another gown that I'm working on. I'm actually about to wood burn the applique over here. This is another gown that I'm working on. This is a sample. Still working out the kinks with it. I actually started hand sewing down the ruffles last night. I know that this is going to go up here just to kind of keep that ruffle effect in the middle. But I want to do some type of beading or whatever, something up here. I don't know. So still struggling with that. But this is a plus size gown. This is probably a 16, 18. All of my gowns got corsets. For us, because I do plus size, I have more success with corsets, obviously. I run the risk of being able to fit more sizes than not as many. And so for us, it was very easy for us to do corsets. This is going to have grommets in the back. So I just have to get the grommets on after I finish sewing down those ruffles. I started hand tacking this last night. It is not complete, but when you guys see it, it's not even going to look the same. It's going to be super gorgeous. This right here is a order. This is an order. My client has already come in to fit. It fit her like a fucking glove, okay? Now, y'all see my cubbies in the back? The cubbies in the back, they are just like my fabric room. I keep a lot of fabric, like things that we're working and using every day kind of in these, and we're tugging and pulling from this every single day. So again, it's going to get a little better, but y'all just don't judge this because this is what you call a real workroom, okay? This is a real workroom. And then say, hey, Nyla. Y'all see my baby? Nyla. You don't say hey? She's so ghetto. Anyway, so we have our order board back here. I've already shown you guys what that process looks like. But this right here, you guys, is 2 more racks full of gowns that have either already been fit or pre-made, ready for us to embellish and do some sort of, finishing to it. Like these sleeves, y'all, I did, they so fucking nasty. Like, oh my gosh. So nasty. They go to this gown right here, which is a pre-made prom gown. The only size 2 or 4 that I have. And trying to get this finished this week as well. So, again, just showing you guys pretty much how we're flowing, how we're working it out. These gowns right here are for a fitting, upcoming fitting that's coming up. And literally this whole process is about time management. Time management, time management. If you can manage your time, meaning coming in, okay, the first, 4 hours, I'm going to do X, Y, and Z. The, next 4 hours, I'm going to do X, Y, and Z. the next 4 hours I'm going to do X, Y, and Z, you will have a more successful season. Nobody can help you manage your time but you, and you really got to put the pedal to the metal and understand what it is that you're trying to do.
But you know how that go.
So the time is 3:25, and right now I am working on the next dress. So this morning I showed you guys where we started at, which was with, matter of fact, come on, I'll show you. So we started with this dress right here. So you guys saw me hand sew, get all the embellishments done. Everything is hand sewed. I also re-draped this. Now I don't know if I caught this in landscape mode or for YouTube, but I could probably drop the time lapse version of me re-draping this, and that's because I needed it to go to the sides. The first time it stopped over here. So this is pretty much this dress in the finished stage. It has a string in the back, has the zipper put in, so this dress would be ready to sell. Okay, ready to sell. And so now my goal is to finish the next two dresses. So the next two dresses is going to be the purple one that I'm working on, and then I have a red one that I started. These right here, now I do need to pop a zipper into this black one, so that's the only thing that needs to be done on that one. And another thing is I'm trying to go ahead and see if I can get some models to come in, just while they're sitting on the mannequin, try to get some of these dresses shot. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing here. So she's ready to go, she's ready to go. This one only needs a zipper, but she's ready to go. This one only needs a zipper, but she's ready to go. Everything is corset ready. So if we have to do any minor alterations, it can be done.
Yeah.